What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make you better and spark some inspiration and some creativity in your beautiful mind. Bruh, let's just dive right into the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, join the community, and let's just get it, bro. So something like that. Wow, I really love how it is sounding super wavy. It reminds me like something like Wheezy would make or something with like the harp in there. But the portal really gave a lot of texture to like the melody and the RC20 as well. Like you can hear like the textures in your ears, just like some ear candy in there, you feel me? I love to use portal, but just be careful with like the mix knob. Just don't turn it all the way up because otherwise it will just like go crazy. So add like a little bit to it just to give it like some more texture, you feel me? So let's just add some drums in there right now just to create like some bounce, and then we'll just like add some counter melodies while we're like adding the drums. So let's get it. I think we might need to change the harp sound because I think it doesn't fit like with the other instruments of the beat, so I might need to choose like a different sound for this one. When an artist raps on this, bro, he will go crazy because there's like a lot of room for it. I really love what we did right here with like the counter melody. I think it fits way better than like the harp sound. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at kubeatz. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.